This video editing tutorial is in response to a user comment under a video on the Dozro main channel. In fact, there is no direct way to add shadow, however, I have made a workaround to add shadow easily to a 3D text in Filmora. Let's do it. Add a 3D text box in Filmora timeline. Replace the default text. Select your favorite font style. Now from the list of 3D presets, choose your favorite 3D text design. This golden 3D text animation will look like this. Now copy the text box and paste it at some empty space. Now move the original text box in upper layer and move the clone text box in first layer. In Player, you can see that there are two texts of similar designs. Now select the text box in first layer and apply some dark color 3D text preset. If I move it away, you can see that the back color is applied on the text in first layer. Now select the text box and click Video tab in the right side panel. Change X and Y values of position for few pixels where suitable. Now I will move the text box exactly under the text box of upper layer. Now you can see that a drop shadow is added. You can further adjust the values of position. Now reduce the opacity value of the background text for a fine shadow. Play back the text animation to check the shadow. If necessary, adjust the position of shadow. You can also learn video editing in online one-to-one class. Please subscribe this Dozro channel for more video editing tutorials.